Hey, let me show you how we can open the Hidden CIT testing menu on the POCO X6 Pro. So to enter this menu, you have to open the settings, then from here open About Phone. Now you will have to go into the detailed info and the specs, and you will have to go into the internal storage, and you will have to, we have to go for the kernel version, and we have to keep tapping on it. And now we are on the CIT testing menu. We can check, for example, the base information of our smartphone. From here we get also the vibration tests, the backlight, keyboard test, the flash test, the bottom speaker.
7, 1, 7.
There's also the top speaker test.
8, 1.
We can also test the headset, the Wi-Fi address, like a lot of options, even the gyroscope. And from here, when you click on the right upper corner, we can get some additional tools, like the touch sensor. So as you can see, that's how it looks. And yeah, that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you on the next one.